something to you to give you a true knowledge of yourself and life, so that the same glory and success attained by other men who understand themselves may be yours. Man in the full knowledge of himself is a superb and supreme creature of creation. When man becomes possessor over the knowledge of himself, he becomes master of his environment, the captain of his own ship, the director of his own destiny, the accomplisher of his own ends.
Color of skin mean nothing to my eyes. A man still a man, even black or white. I don't like my but his words are so fine. Baduru Badavita has a rise and shine. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Rastafarian, Buddha and African. Preach to a congregation when them see other man. Let them know it's an image of God. Hey! Our Father who art in Zion, light your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion, whenever they've been misled. Our Father who art in Zion, light up your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion,
Session what the dude but tirade, I think I'm the dude on the one on the chair. Zaribu one on the P one on the chair. Zarapi wa mashudu ba unake. Samsika une nda uita ndo wana kabone chenga dori chair. Taswa batu bachimbona bachi on the floor. Take up on the chair. Fikari bana ba mme bana ba mwari sore sango tenda uheja. Yeah, mwari huna swinji sine budisi ya borira eza. Manchu man Africa stode iri songo purana. Catch a woman bana nibe straight into your funana. Mwari bari tonde bari funerote. Musiranga tangana yo zote ngasikonde. Africa we want rote rivati te yo funana. Fenda we want rivati songo purana.
Our Father who art in Zion, light your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion, whenever they've been misled. Our Father who art in Zion, light up your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion, whenever
alright. Gaberi rimashina apake atuera rido barihan. Gaberi juru de shango la shumura ora barihan. Kamu sirari shida bari kule. Afrika narina bari sitabu. Roteri ya fana batu batsuna batuku. Auna muhurwane ende auna mutuku. Kana nyambara perete kana nitobo padugu. Zimu bani funa nangwe nini sina nyuku. Nisango diroba na humbura roba. Musina na hoba muya wanuba uroba. Nisichaba soba spota goba goba. Mwari bani toda sokorini doda. Mwari we.
Our Father who art in Zion, light your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion, whenever they've been misled. Our Father who art in Zion, light up your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion, whenever our Father who art in Zion, light your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion, whenever they've been misled. Our Father who art in Zion, light up your light and chase out the darkness. Our Father who art in Zion, whenever
Man should understand himself because man is full of knowledge, and this knowledge is a gift of nature. When Mother Nature created man, she deprived him of nothing. He was given the faculty of understanding all things around him. This faculty for understanding has not been taken away from him. None of his senses have been taken away from him. So there is no excuse for the black man in lacking the knowledge that man is used to beautify the world and produce all that he needs for his happiness and civilization. Look the world over, and whatever you see in it that is pleasing to man, contributing to man's comfort, to his needs and to his satisfaction, it is but the work of man. Man blessed with the knowledge of himself and the understanding of all things around him. If you are able to live with the knowledge of yourself and with the greater knowledge of nature, you must know what is good and what is not. You must know what is finite. You must know that which is material, physical and otherwise is at your disposal to create or otherwise use. and go over to the east to Japan. They will be telling their fellow citizens of Japan of the wonderful accomplishments of the Japanese people, proving that man is moving onward as time moves on.